break down my experience of doing apartment hunting in New York. I'm currently living in New York for $16.50 and I'm able to get this price because it is a 3-bed flex. So I'm living in the flex room. So I'm very lucky because the broker I've been working with, he is very, very good. He kept this apartment for me for almost a month just because of so many setbacks. I did all my apartment searching virtual. So these were the platforms I use. I use StreetEasy, Apartments.com, and Zillow. The rest of the video, just like a mini vlog of moving in and finding furniture pieces, just having a good time in New York. I'm so excited to be here. New year, new me, new room, new house, a new job too. Hopefully I don't miss home too much and I can find good people in New York. Have a good time here. Today it is finally move-in day. Oh my god. Getting this apartment was really easy. Finding roommates is not easy at all. I'm really, really lucky that my mom came here for the second time. So, yeah, thank you to her. So, we got the trolley in. This is the house empty. And here's like the flex wall. So I'm gonna be living in there. And we have like the tiniest little bit of room for a living room. Voila, my room. And then we were able to build a closet attached to the flex wall. So, awesome. Bar stools. My Dyson Airman. The tiniest bit of room for a coffee table. Thank you. Every minute spent with you runs around my head. Changing a few favorite styles and all that. 谁吃 boiled 啦 ？boiled 有够难吃的。machine 卷了然后跟哦，可以听到声音了，它在漏气，是超细的哎，看那个手，哦来来了，哦声音，哦哦哦，对啊，好。哇，他开始在，哇，哇，哇，哇，没有，他说他要2天才整个可以看得出来是like10 inch， 它还是扁扁的。哦 ，Good morning, New York. So yesterday evening was the first night I spent in my apartment in New York. It's very much a mess right now. The only thing I have is like that's essential is a mattress, a light, because they don't have like fixed lights in here. Got lights from Facebook Marketplace, $30, and then there's a lamp down here Oh my god, this thing gives me the most serotonin ever. Also $30. And so today the plan, because my mom is still here, she can help me move a bit of things. So the plan is to go get a desk that I secured on Facebook Marketplace again, a chair, just trying to settle in before the work week starts again. We are currently at the IKEA in Brooklyn, and the views here are actually kind of insane. Just because you get to see like the whole entire skyline of Manhattan. I need a chair, so I need something sturdy and comfortable. This is the skyline I'm talking about. Oh god, I don't think I'm ever gonna get used to this. Wow, wow, wow.里面有东西。什么那些都拿出来。Everyone just left. But kind of feeling lonely now. It's my first time living like in a city without like my family here, because I lived in Taiwan for like a year. I had my uncle, grandparents, extended family, but now I'm in New York, which is like a 4-hour drive back home. So it's gonna take some adjustments. Yeah, but nonetheless, I'm really grateful for this opportunity to be here. Like, so many people would like kill for opportunities like this to move to such a big city. Great job and opportunities that come with the city. Yeah, so my roommates haven't moved in yet, so it's just gonna be me for a little bit. So hopefully this place could become home-ish. We'll see. Like, usually I would be like ecstatic about opportunities, like living in such a fantastic global city, but right now I have no like establishment here. I have no foundation here at all. So cheers to new beginnings, a new year, a new life, a new job, a new chapter, really. Wow, this is crazy. I'm so freaking emo, but I think it'll be fun for sure. I'm gonna New Year's resolution is having a video of every week just so I can look back into it and see how much I've grown, see the memories that I've made, and just document everything that words and memories can't convey. I'm gonna go shower. Bye bye. Good night.